Hey, how come you think a lot of people don't like sharing their prices and packages?
Mostly because people think that there's just a lot of competition going on. But I mean, at the same time, it's like there's enough cars for everybody, you know? The whole point, you know, like what goes good in business is you showing like what you could show and like just sharing knowledge with people.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Now, how did you pick your prices that you're about to go over? Did someone tell you? Did you base them on different detailers?
Yeah. Mostly just around the area. I mean, my prices were similar to the ones that would be drop-offs and stuff like that. So, I mean, right now the prices, I mean, everybody tries to kind of stay around the same price range. But yeah, I mean, mostly right now I'm just going out by mobile, like just extra, you know, like $10, $20 extra for mobile. And pretty much the prices hasn't changed dramatically, but they changed a little bit. Yeah.
When you first started, like first started when you were 16, 17.
Oh, okay, when I first started.
How much were you charging back then?
Oh, I was charging like 60 for like a full interior.
Yeah.
Now compared now to like 200, you know, that's a big change, but
I got you.
Yeah, back then, I mean, it was just to have a little side money, like, but now it's actually a real business. Now you have to charge more, but at the same time, you got to be more professional. So you have to do more. You have to do more work that's detailed. You have to talk more to the customers, and all that comes into play.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
All right, man. So hit me with your first package. What's your starting package?
My first package is gonna be a regular wash, which is for 2 doors 55, 2 doors 65, and a 4 door 75. So
yeah. And what does that consist of?
That's gonna be, so the regular wash is just the wash on the outside, the vacuum wipe down, the wheels, just the face of it. So not the inside barrel. So just the outside, the face of the wheels, with tire shine, a spray wax, and the windows.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then after that, it's your maintenance wash.
Yeah. After that, it's a maintenance wash. Yeah. So that's more. I call it a maintenance wash detail, rather than your regular wash, because the maintenance wash you're going more into details than your regular wash, which both are similar packages. It's just one on the maintenance wash detail. I'm actually getting into all the barrels on the inside of the wheels, and then I'm applying more of a coating, like a spray coating to the paint, rather than just a regular spray wax. Yeah.
And the maintenance, does somebody need to be a monthly detailer to get the maintenance, or can they get it whenever?
For me, they could get it whenever they want. Yeah. But I mean, of course, I'm gonna charge extra depending how the vehicle is. Yeah.
Got it. So the next one you have is the clay and seal on the outside?
Yeah, the clay and seal for the outside. That one's just for customers that have rough paint and they just want their paint to be more smooth and more glossy. It's not a polish or nothing, so it's not gonna get no scratches out, but it's gonna strip off the hard stuff that you can't get off without a wash. So you clay bar the whole vehicle, and it's gonna get all the hard stuff to make the paint feel more smooth, and it's gonna make it more glossy at the same time, and it's gonna protect it for however, like from 3 to 6 months depending.
And that's starting at 150 for 2 doors?
Yeah, 150 for 2 doors.
Got it. And then you have your next package, full interior.
Yeah, full interior.
And what is that?
The full interior is just the full interior detail, just how it says on the name. It's the seats, carpet.
You shampooing and extracting?
The shampoo, extract the seats, extract the carpet, get in the door panels. That's when I bring out the air compressor and get into all the little cracks and crevices to get all the little dust out. Dress up the panels, and that's pretty much, and the headliner as well. It includes the headliner.
All right, and then after that, you have your full detail.
Yeah, my full detail. So that one's gonna be your full interior detail, and it's gonna be your clay and seal. But I mean, if a customer wants a polish, that's gonna be a whole different pricing and a whole different thing, because for a full detail, it's roughly around $370 to like $450, depending what kind of vehicle it is.
Okay, I got you. And do you have anything you charge for? For example, we're talking about like gas now.
Yeah.
How much are you charging to travel?
Depending what area they're in, from $10 to $20 extra. I mean, it could go more depending how far it is, you know. But that's my basic range. So 10 to 20 extra. And I mean, I charge more if it has pet hair, if it has just stuff that they didn't tell me on the phone or they didn't tell me through messages. I mean, I'm gonna charge them extra right there and then.
And your process with the full detail is, you don't give a quote.
Yeah.
On your website.
I don't give a quote. They have to contact me, and they have to send me either like pictures of the inside, so I could see it. Most of the customers, they just send me pictures of the inside, and I just go off by there because you never know, a car could be bad, and they could be like, oh, it's not that bad, and for us, it's like, oh, it's gonna be bad for us, you know, to detail it.
So everybody has their own definition.
Everybody has their own definition, and some people say that, oh, some people say that it's pretty clean, but it's bad, and some people say that it's bad and it's pretty clean. So it just depends.
But what's that starting out at?
The full detail.
Yeah.
So the full detail is it's gonna be your full interior detail with your clean seal. So that's gonna be like $3. It just depends what kind of car it is.
Yeah.
It depends what kind of vehicle it is. I mean, the price range is gonna be from $300 to like $450, depending what vehicle it is.
Got it, man. Got it. All right, Jorge. Hey, any changes you want to do with your pricing or packages?
Probably my packages. I probably want to offer less, just so my customers could they won't feel like, because they have like a good amount of packages, so I feel like I need to cut them a little bit, just so they could be like, so when they bug, they won't be like, oh, what does this include here? Or what is this? Like, I'm probably just gonna have one regular wash, and then the maintenance wash detail, I don't know if I should keep her or not. I'm not sure yet. Yeah.
Hey, let us know in the comments below.
Yeah.
But let's say there's somebody out there, Jorge, that wants a detail in the Fresno area. Where can they hit you up at?
They could just contact me on Instagram at Jorge's_auto detailing. You could contact me there, or you could even just give us a call. I have my number on my detailing on my Instagram page as well. Call or text, that's fine.
All right, guys, go show them some love. Everything's in the description below. And if you like this detailing video, you want to see more, press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody. Bye, Jorge.